Hello everyone, this is Chandra Diningrat from ZWSOFT, and in this video I will show you how to use this SpaceMouse Pro from 3Dconnexion with ZW3D. So I've been using this device for more than 3 years. So I've been using it for doing demonstration to our customers, to train our resellers to do a seminars, webinars, or even creating a video contents related to GWCAD or GW3D. In this video, I will show you how to set up this device in our ZW3D, and I will share some simple tips about how to use it better. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here we are in the ZW3D environment, especially in the assembly design environment. As you can see here on the left bottom side, this is the camera setup for my SpaceMouse Pro capture video. So there are several buttons here, and there is a main joystick that I use most here for this device. So basically, the most thing that I often use is this device, is this joystick. We can, for example, rotate horizontally, vertically, and do the zoom, and also pan, and we can combine together like this. So we can zoom in to several points or regions with a specific and smooth movement. So as a general benefits, we can show the 3D demonstration more smoothly and more professional to our customer or our partners. Uh, and we can get more a better video demo by using this. So this is the main function or benefits. Yeah, we can navigate easily with our 3D model with this joystick in SpaceMouse Pro. And also in the SpaceMouse Pro, we have this ergonomic base, so I can easily, or I can com comfortably place my hand here and just operate the joystick with minimal effort. So this is another benefit about how, yeah, why we need this SpaceMouse Pro. Another thing that I want to show you in SpaceMouse Pro, we have several buttons here, like menu, alt, shift, control, escape. So this shift, control, escape, and alt is a same button in our keyboard, so we can access it more closely with our left hand, for example. And also we have the view view settings or view button here, view specialist view button here, like front, right, top. So you can see here we can have the quick uh, view, yeah, shortcut view in this device, yeah. And also, the most important thing when we are doing a sketch, for example, so I'm going to show you later, is about this lock rotation button. So we can lock rotation. For example, I lock this rotation, I press this button, so it will prevent the rotation in this navigation in this navigation scenario. So it will be more suitable for a sketch. Yeah. So as you can see here, even I try to rotate, I cannot rotate my model because I, it has been locked by this button. So how to release it? Just simply press it again. So uh, release. I can release the view again like before. Okay. Another thing is the fit. function, as you can see here, I can do the fit when my model is gone. So I can simply fit, press fit here. So I can quickly do the fit view with this SpaceMouse Pro. Okay. Another thing is this customizable button, 1, 2, 3, 4 button. So we can customize it uh, in our setting, yeah, in SpaceMouse Pro setting or in 3Dconnexion setting. So we move to the second, yeah, we move to the second topics now, how to set up the SpaceMouse Pro in ZW3 as a general, yeah. So we go back to the ZW3D environment, and what we need to do is just press this menu button. So um, it will pop up the 3D connection menu here. Yeah, like this, it will automatically detect the ZW3D applications, or we can simply adjust the speed here. And also we can set the 6 degree of freedom settings here with yeah, including the the way, yeah. If we want to do the reverse, also we can set here, yeah. But from my perspective, I just use it as default, yeah. Everything, the speed is normal for the pan, yeah, pan, zoom, rotate, drag up, drag down. Everything I do is just a normal speed here, and also there is no reverse settings because it can automatically detect the behavior of ZW3D. So you can also set some navigation, zoom direction, and also delete if you want. But personally, yeah, I use it as default. Another important things when we do the settings here is the button. So for example, I already uh, made some modification in this with this SpaceMouse Pro setting in GW3D. For example, for 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4 button here, I already have some several custom settings, except for the 4. Yeah, this is the default setting. I will show you how to set it later. About this one, yeah, in the sketch environment, yeah. So basically, all the setting I already made. So for example, here for the top, yeah, control up, control right, control down. This also has been set up customizable, yeah. So we can make the how to say we can make the same setting with our uh, view setting, yeah, in GW3D. Yeah, you can see here, for example, as you can see, as you can see, for the top view is control up, left, right view control right, and front view is control down. Yeah, it is the same set. It has the same setting. Yeah, when we see the button setting here, okay, if it is not automatically detect the front, right, or top view, you can set it manually here. Okay, like me. Okay, another thing here, I already set up several buttons. For example, I use Z for shortcut in GW3D, and there's some view setting and also the nearest view, yeah, for nearest orthogonal view for F9. Yeah, let me show you, yeah, first. So I use Z. I use one for calling up the most commonly used shortcut. Yeah, in the assembly I have this one. Okay, when I go to the modeling, for example, I call the one. Yeah, it has different commands. So this is also you can copy the way I set the button. So this is just an example. Okay, I'll go back to the assembly environment. So that is the basic setting that I can show to you. I will show you later with more detail with in the next scenarios. So basically, we have already done this the basic how to set up the SpaceMouse Pro in ZW3D, and we are going to walk through about the tips and benefit of using SpaceMouse Pro in all these scenario for sketch, product surface repair, mold parting design, assembly, and animation. Let's go first with the sketch. Okay, let's go back here. So for example, this is the machine design that I am working on in ZW3D. So this is the basket magazine machine. So let's say I need the frame for this linear motor. Yeah, let's let's design it to demonstrate how to use the sketch uh, together with using SpaceMouse Pro. Okay, so basically our requirement is to create something like this one, but I'm going to show you later. But let's take a look to a new. I already made the new assembly here, and I want to create some sketch to fulfill the lifter frame, yeah, for my machine design. So I already have some sketch in my books now. So I just need to write it down to apply it in our GW3D together with this SpaceMouse Pro demonstration. Yeah. So basically, it's the same thing. We can easily navigate into our 3D space environment. And what I'm going to show you first is I'm going to use the shortcut here. This is the assembly. Now I don't need that. I just use the sketch, selecting the plane, and I'm ready to start the sketch. So when I do this, when I'm inside the sketch environment, I also can accidentally rotate, which is I don't want to do like this. Yeah, we can accidentally rotate our space. Yeah, like this. We can accidentally rotate. Okay, so we can go back to the plan view. So to prevent that rotation, we can use this button. Use this button, lock rotation. So we can, sorry. Yeah, we can prevent any rotation in our 3D environment. Even we rotate our joystick in our SpaceMouse Pro. So that is the very useful lock button here when we do the sketch. Yeah. So we are ready to create some sketch. So let's sketch something here and add some dimension. Okay, I already have dimension in my mind. Yeah. So for example, I'm going to have this 700 millimeters. Yeah, this one. And for this one, I want to have the 312 millimeters. And for this one, I want to add around 184.5. fi- sorry, 5 millimeters. Okay. So I just use the half of my sketch. For the other half, I just need the mirror function. Okay. So I've done this the sketch. Let's go back. Okay. Uh, Now we need to release the lock rotation. I want to release it. Okay. Now already release the rotation. And then I'm going to add another frame, wireframe on the side of this frame. I just need to add the plane here and do the sketch in this plane. Okay. And then I'm going to add the reference curve here. Okay. And also I want to lock again my rotation here. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. It's already been locked. Okay. Now I'm ready to add the some lines. As you can see here, I can also use escape button to quickly release my draw command. Okay, it's also very handy. And just add some dimension here. I'm going to and this dimension 40 and add the angular dimension here 45. So all my sketch already well defined. It can be detected by blue colors. Yes, in the ZW3D we can detect the constraint status of our sketch. Okay, that's enough. Let's go back. So this is the sketch I already used. I already designed. So for the other one here, let's create after we create the frame. So after this, we will create some frames design. Okay. Okay, let's go to structure design or structure member. I'm going to use the same profile. Yeah, the same profile. We just select. So in ZW3D, you can also select all these profiles. Standard is already been integrated already by default available in our ZW3D. So I'm going to select all the wireframe. Okay. So after this, I need to um, modify some corner treatment because I'm using this SpaceMouse Pro. You can see here I can zoom into every single corner of or every single connection of my structure design. It's very easy, handy, and smooth. Okay, so let's working on this frame design. So, for example, I'm going to use this uh, mm, connection. Okay, click apply. So uh, during this design process, I also want to demonstrate how we can adjust or how we can apply some settings, some shortcut settings, like For example here, as you can see, if I want to do the end trim for this one and this one, we can see there is the apply button here. So I want to make this apply button to be customized in my 4 number shortcuts here in my 3D Connections SpaceMouse Pro. Okay, so how to do that? We can check the customize setting in my ZW3D for the hotkey. We can see for all here for apply. You can see apply for all environments. I already set the Alt A shortcut for the global environment. So I can just type in Alt A shortcut in my 3D connection button settings. So I go through menu in my 3D connection settings, go to buttons and set the Alt A here. Okay. So let's take a test. Okay. So for example, I want to expand this and press 4. You can see already been set apply for this 4 number. Okay, it's very easy and handy. Okay, just press 4 in my 3D connection. You can see here. Sorry. Yeah, as you can see, it's already being applied. Okay, so that is how we can set the shortcut button in our SpaceMouse Pro. So let's continue to finish this job, okay? So I'm gonna cut this, okay, together. Okay, click apply again in my uh, SpaceMouse Pro. Okay, and also this one. Sorry, this one surface. Okay, surface this one. Okay, yeah. Now I already done modifying this corner treatment. What we need to do is just doing the mirror for these two structure. Use this by using this these frames. Yeah, so we can have all these frames. So that is how we can use the shortcut. Yeah, to do the apply. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to the next topic. Is about how we can benefit and use these 3D connection SpaceMouse Pro when we are doing the product surface repair in ZW3D. So let's take a look here. So I already have this, I just imported parts. So as you can see, there are several surface broken in our parts. So we need to modify it or make it a perfect part or make it a solid. So let's take a look. Yeah. In ZW3D, we have the heal and analyze ribbons. So in this heal and analyze ribbon, we have spatial tools to repair our products. So for example, here we want to check which are the open edge in our product. We can check here with our show open edge command. With this show open edge command, we can see the exact edges that we need to repair. So, for example, here we can see and go through every edges that we need to repair, and we can repair it one by one. So, for example, here I just do the delete to this device to this surface and fill the gap using this fill gap and click apply. Okay, let me check. Yeah, maybe the Alt A is attribute here. You can see. Seems like we set the wrong. Hmm. Let's let's see. Okay, let's customize again the hotkey, yeah, for apply. Oh, apply here. Alt D. Alt D, for example. Alt D, and we need to customize again our 3D connection menu. Okay, buttons, this one, Alt T. Okay, so let's continue. We need to fill in this gap. Okay, 4. Yeah, you see, no more open the attribute. Seems like I made some mistake here to make to have the same shortcut with attributes. So already made the change. So yeah, we have better settings now. Okay, let's continue to the next open edge here. So where is the next open edge here? We do the same things. Fill gap here, press apply by pressing my 4 buttons. Okay, and do the next setting, next open edge searching here. Still do the close gap. Sorry, not the close gap. Fill gap. Okay, do the apply by pressing this 4. Yeah, I always use this 4. Okay, and then this one we do the by another command, which is the trim plane. Okay, as you can see, I can easily rotate my model because I'm using this 3D connection SpaceMouse Pro, and easily to get this closed loop to fix my surface broken parts. To the apply again. Okay, and let's check for others. Open edge. Okay, this one I also need use the trim plane. Fly. And where is the next one? Oh, this one, yeah. Okay. Fly again. Hmm? Sorry. Let me check. Oh, why? Yeah, let's continue lah. Yeah, it has the solid shape here. I just need to delete. And let's check another open edge here. So for this one, let's do the trim by curve. I can use the shift to select all the uh, uh, tangent edge selection. We can use the shift from our 3Dconnexion SpaceMouse Pro, and we can get the correct result here. Okay, so only this one. Yeah, let's check by others tools. Let's check by other tools but using this one. Okay. After this, we just need to do the show command. Yeah, show command to show all the things together. Wait. Oh, we still have some open edge here. Let's fix this using extend face. This edge we need to do the distance measure from this to this. Okay, okay, and do the shoe again. Oh, it's already solid now. Okay, so that is the workflow. Yeah, about how we can use this 3D connection with the easily navigate through open edge to every open edge, even some shortcuts like shift or even some shortcut numbers to do the apply button to increase our design efficiency. So yeah, let's you can see here that the orientation is not enough. It's not good now. We can easily move. Yeah, I can also select the shift button to select the shape and use the frame to frame movement. Okay, now we have the correct orientation for this product design. Yeah, product design case. Yeah, so this is can be ready to move to the other process like the multi-set or something else. Okay, so that is the demonstration of how we can use the 3D connection SpaceMouse Pro to creating a product surface repair. Yeah. Another topic, similar topic, when we do the mold sorting design, the workflow is almost the same. So let me show you the details. So here we have some product example. It's already solid product, and the orientation also already met the Z direction or the draw direction. Now we are ready to do the mold design for this product. Yeah, yeah. As you can see here, it's very easy, handy to use this 3D connection to evaluate all these product uh, example parts in our 3D environment. So let's get started. First thing first, we need to do the um, region analysis. Yeah, so we can see here for the orange regions already detected to a capital region. For the core already detected to a by these blue regions. Another, we have what we need to concern is about undefined phase, which is detected as these colors. What we need to do is just selecting this vertical phase and assign either to core or cavity. So we would like to assign to a chord here. So all the undefined phase already zeros, and we can do to the next process. So the region analysis has already been done. So we move to another region, another problem, which is a region definition. In this uh, process, we can add another region, for example, slider, and we select the phase that we want to apply to this slider. So because I'm using this SpaceMouse Pro, I can easily navigate to a phase that I want to assign to this slider. Just apply, and we are ready to the next process. So we have this porting line and all the regions, and we are ready to do auto porting uh, design here. Just use the auto porting, and we need to patch. Okay, patch. What we need to concern is about this hole. We just do the segmented porting design. For this one, we use the extrude. Click apply, and for the inner, see, we can easily from this one navigate to the inner very easily because we use this SpaceMouse Pro. For this one, we just need to the trim plane, for example. Oh, sorry, trim plane and apply, and we are ready to split this small design. We just need to prepare some workpiece and do trim uh, cavity and core. So we are ready to have now we are ready, and we already generated the core, yeah, cavity, and also the slider block here. So yeah, as you can see, we can easily navigate through our model, for example, here in the mold design. So that is the example how we can benefit the process by using SpaceMouse Pro in mold design, mold parting design. Another thing is the assembly. So assembly. In the assembly, I have another example here using this. Yeah, let's say we need this frame, yeah, that we already made before to demonstrate the sketch. Now, yeah, let's use the end of the design is actually something like this. I already add some support, some cylinders, and anything here. So what we need to do is we need to assemble that sub assembly to this main assembly. So let's pull some most commonly used uh, feature by using this one shortcut command: insert component and select lifter frame. Okay, just place it, and we are ready to have the constraint, yeah, between this and this. Yeah, in the assembly, it's really needed that we need to navigate to a specific regions, to a specific hole, for example, to mate our components. So that's why we really need this SpaceMouse Pro. So for example, I want to assemble uh, this sub-assembly by using this command constraint. I want to place it here. Okay, and I want to mate this bolt to this bolt to these holes. Okay, and we need to check the the constraint, and we can do like this, the drag directly, and we need to match this bolt For example, this holds. Okay. Okay. We can check again. And this one, we need to attach this linear guide. Okay. Linear guide to this frame. So what we need to do is we can use the middle constraint. Yeah, just to the middle, easily rotate. And I want to place in this middle slider. Okay. Now I have the perfect constraint for this uh, frame sub-assembly in my machine design. So as you can see, yeah, we can easily navigate, apply the constraint specifically to a specific region, to a specific hole, because we are using this SpaceMouse Pro uh, device, yeah, from 3Dconnexion. So that is simply explain about how we can benefit this device in our ZW3D assembly workflow. So last but not least is about how we can use this device in our animation module. So I'm gonna use another example for animation, which is this model. Sorry, which is this model. I already made some constraint to this model, so we can simulate something like this. And also, I already applied some animation to this model. So let's take a look to inside this animation. Yeah, this is the animation that I already applied to this assembly model. Okay, what I want to show you is about the benefit in the assembly module. So let's move the pen here to this one, so you can easily see the benefit. So basically, if we want to set some camera movement, we need to set here, okay, camera, okay. But because of we are using this SpaceMouse Pro, we just use this SpaceMouse Pro as our camera movement in our assembly. So for example here, say, so we can directly navigate into a specific angle that we want to show directly, with our SpaceMouse Pro, so we can have more smooth movement in our animation design. Okay, so to minimize our workflow in the assembly animation, we can simply use the uh, this joystick as our camera movement in our um, assembly animation. Okay, like this. Yeah, we can specifically move to a region or some view that we want to achieve. Yeah, no need to set up any camera. Okay, and you just simply record and save your video. So it's also the same thing when we set up the camera in our assembly animation. Yeah, so it can reduce your animation design workflow. So that is the simply explanation about how we can use this SpaceMouse Pro in the assembly design. Okay, so that's all for my explanation. I hope you enjoyed my very long video, and I hope you can take the benefit, yeah, from my video. Thank you, yeah, for your time, and also thank you for the our sponsor 3D Connection for making this video happen. So that's all from my side. You have any question, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Bye.